Hi Richard, Katrina. This will be a quick tutorial on how to edit a page as text. So we're talking about this area here, which currently we're on your home page. So basically what I do is I go to your nibbles.com.au, but open up another tab in this area. The other tab will be nibbles.com.au/administrator. You don't need to put that on there. It'll automatically add in. So you've got your back end, or your front end here, and your back end. Administrator is an admin panel. Put in your username and password, and I'll let you know what your password is, which we'll change, and log in. Save it if you like. And you'll be given this control panel here. From this area, you've got an article manager. Every page in your site's got an article, or you can get to it here, content article manager. And for instance, if you're on the home page, you can see your title of your page is home. You got all these pages in your site. We're displaying 20 at the moment. We can display all. You can see from this article manager area, there's every page inside your website. I've broken everything down into categories and subcategories. So the testimonials, gallery, nibbles, menus. It's all going in alphabetical order here. But to sort of break it down, we can select the category so it doesn't display any others. So for instance, if we wanted to look at the Ruse Club menu page, the navigation area, there's two menus there, your dinner menu and your lunch menu. That sort of breaks it down and filters everything out. We'll just go to select the category to empty. The other way to it, you can search for your home page. So let's go home here and do a search. And it'll bring up the page that you're looking for, which is your home page. So we'll click on that. Brings up this they're called WYSIWYG editor, which means you can what you see is what you get. So you can drag it out if you want a bit more space to work in, depending on how big your monitor is that you're working on in the office. So this content here is this content here. So from here, I could change this to nibbles with an S, and all I need to do is quickly and then get out of there again. We'll save it. You see that it's saved now. Go back to the website front page. It's got Z there still. We need to refresh the page. So every time you make a change, do a refresh. Refresh here. You see now there's an S. We don't want that, so we'll put it back quickly. Go back to here. Do your Z. Do a save. Go back to the home page. Do a refresh. There's your Z back again. So that's basically, in a nutshell, a real quick way of editing the text on your pages. There's a lot more features that it can do, but I like to sort of drag it out, have a bit more space to work in. From here we can add images. So you put it, if you want the sort of image over on the right, put the cursor where the line is going to be, where it's going to be. Hit on this little icon here called Insert Image. If you hold onto it long enough, it'll display some text. Insert Edit Image. Click on that one. Here we'll get the website's image folder, which is later on where you'll add your galleries into your pages and things like that. I've got gallery links here. You know, so each page will have its own gallery. There's a breakfast gallery. We can take any one of these. So on the breakfast page at the moment is a gallery which has got 3 photos in it, all running down the right. They're all a little bit too small, but you get the idea. And then from that we can select one and insert it into the page. So we'll align it on the right. Put a bit of a margin around it. I like to use 10, which means no text can come up too close to the image. We can go insert from here. You can see that picture is on that page. If I applied that now, here, it would show on your home page. But I'm not going to do that because the site's actually live now. So we'll click on the image and delete. That's how easy it is to add an image into a page once you've edited them. So it sounds like you're going to need some photo editing software, which I'll talk to you about that in another tutorial. We'll close out of this page. Just say, for instance, you want to modify your Ruse homepage. which is your Ruse Club title. So we'll go to the administration section, put in Ruse. We'll see what pages come up. Anything that's got Ruse sort of club in it will come up. There's your Ruse Club. There's the text on the page. You go there. This part. This part. Change what you want to change. Save it. Go back to the page. Refresh it. See if it's accurate. Once you're happy, save and close. And it's closing out. What I'll do is I'll get back to you on some other videos. This is just basically a quick sample to get started so I can show you what I'm actually trying to achieve here. And you can keep referring back to them. I'll load it up to YouTube and we'll go from there. Once you've finished making any changes, you just go to the logout area, which is there. Log out of the site, you're back into the admin panel. You can do this from anywhere, any computer with an internet connection. So you can work at home, on the weekends, if you want to work on weekends, and go from there. Talk to you soon.